Hello students, today we will learn the second chapter of 6th standard angles. The definition of angle is an angle is figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. An angle has two arms and one vertex. Now see the example. Here OM and ON are two rays. These two rays intersect to each other at point O. It means NOM is a angle. Here ON and OM are arms of the angle and point O is a vertex of the angle. Now see the figure and complete the following tables. Here given angles and write name of the angle, vertex of the angle and arms of the angle. At first, in angle PYR, name of the angle is angle PYR. Vertex of the angle is point Y and arms of the angles are YP and YR. Next examples do at home. If any doubt, ask freely in the comment section. Now we will study the types of angle. Number 1, zero angle. 2, acute angle. 3, right angle. 4th, obtuse angle. 5th, straight angle. 6th one, reflex angle. And last, full or complete angle. Now see the types of angle one by one. Number 1, zero angle. In this angle, there are two sticks lie one upon the other. There is no change in their positions. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Second number is acute angle. The angle formed in figure B is acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Third one is right angle. The angle formed in figure C is right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. Fourth one is obtuse angle. The angle formed in figure D is obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Fifth one is straight angle. An angle like the figure E is called a straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. Sixth one is reflex angle. This angle is greater than 180 degree. Such an angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measure of a complete angle is 360 degree.